This unit combines the grammar of modal verb can, Unit 14, and present continuous, Unit 21. You must not start the lesson as a teacher if you make typical mistake in this grammar. Typical mistakes include the following situations. I can swim. It is incorrect to use both to be and modal verb can in one simple sentence. I can swimming. It is also incorrect because gerunds cannot be used after modal verbs. I doing my homework. It is incorrect because there is no verb to be in this sentence. Remember that neither infinitive nor gerund can be a predicate. That is why present continuous is unthinkable without the verb to be. Please watch out that neither you nor your student makes such mistakes. The core exercise is on the right bottom of the page. In the center, you see the sad face of George. George is not happy because none of his friends can help him today. Let me make the first sentence for you. Mr. and Mrs. Nelson cannot help George because they are watching TV. Please pay attention on how two grammars intersect in one sentence. You can start the lesson by either doing this exercise from the very beginning or by doing it after listening and reading. Please pay attention that Tony is drinking coffee or remodeling the house. I recommend you do with the students practice 4, 5, 6 and 17. While doing practice 17, please pay attention that after the verb talk, we can use both prepositions, with and to. However, since almost everybody knows the preposition with, I insist you practice more the preposition to. I ask you to pay students' attention to the fact that in English language, the preposition, in our case to, comes to the end of each question. Likewise, we ask the following questions. What are you thinking about? Who are you talking to? Where are you coming from? Etc. As homework assignment, ask the student to do workbook exercises and drilling that he/she had problems with, if any. By the end of the Unit 21, you may play the following game with your student. Ask the student for a favor to help you to move or clean your house and see how he would make excuses. Also be aware that present continuous can be used not only to describe what is happening at the moment of the speech, but also for the planned future. So it is okay for a student to say, I cannot help you on Monday because on Monday I'm doing my homework, although today is not necessary Monday. That's all. Thank you. Good luck.